Okay, so moving on to the green edition. Once again, Woodpecker green edition. One more beautiful looking bat. This is green 2. They come in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of the series actually come that way, but the ones I showed in previous videos, they were 1, basically grade 1, and this is 2. But even this 2 is looks so amazing. Again, full profile, beautiful looking bat, nicely balanced. uh, Check the grains on this. Really good looking bat, very well balanced. This is about 210, and let me tell you the ping test. Honestly, I don't see much difference between 2 and 1, but 2 is also really nice, so you can't go wrong. 1 definitely have a higher grade willow, but this is also beautiful. So here is your green.